Hi there. I'm looking for a new hairstyle that really suits my personality. Can you help me with that?
Of course. I'd be happy to assist you. Tell me a bit about yourself and the kind of style you're looking for.
Well, I'm a bit adventurous and outgoing. I love trying new things and being the center of attention. I want a hairstyle that reflects my confident and playful nature.
That sounds fantastic. Based on your description, I have a couple of styles in mind that I think would be perfect for you. The first option is a bold pixie cut with vibrant highlights. It's a daring and attention-grabbing style that matches your adventurous side.
Wow, a pixie cut with highlights does sound intriguing. What's the second option?
The second option is a long layered hairstyle with loose waves. It's a versatile and feminine look that complements your outgoing personality. This style allows you to experiment with different updos and hairstyles, giving you a variety of options for different occasions.
Both options sound amazing, but I think I'm more inclined towards the long layered style with loose waves. It seems like a style that will give me the freedom to express myself in different ways.
Great choice. The long layered style with loose waves is indeed a fantastic option for you. It will add movement and texture to your hair, creating a playful and vibrant look. We can also add some subtle highlights to enhance the dimension and add an extra touch of uniqueness.
That sounds perfect. I'm really excited to see how it will turn out. When can we get started?
I have an opening tomorrow afternoon if that works for you. We'll begin with a thorough consultation and then proceed with the styling process. It might take a couple of hours, but I assure you it'll be worth it.
Tomorrow afternoon works well for me. I can't wait to see the end result. I trust your expertise, so I'm confident it will be amazing.
Thank you for your trust. I'll make sure to create a hairstyle that not only suits your personality but also makes you feel fabulous. Remember, communication is key during the process, so feel free to share any preferences or concerns you may have.
Absolutely. I'll keep that in mind. I appreciate your willingness to listen and understand my vision. I know I'm in good hands. Thank you so much. I'm really looking forward to tomorrow's session. See you then.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow, and get ready to rock that fabulous new hairstyle.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.